Hello, we are back again. This is Boy Tech. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how to install your Windows. That's to fix your Windows one, and then secondly, I'll be showing you how to edit your Windows to the required size you want, and then lastly, I will be showing you how to properly fix the window and also use the different types of window we have. Stay tuned on this video, enjoy this video to the end, and then remember to hit the subscribe button for more updates. Like and share and comment how you feel about this video. Thank you very much. Okay, today our class will be talking about fixing of window. On our previous class we talked on how to fix doors, and then I've showed you how to install your doors, your film doors, that's your internal doors, and your external doors, now to edit it and do so other things. If you missed out on this video and really want to check it, you can check my previous video on door, so you can be able to get the knowledge properly. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about window. We have different types of windows. We have curtain walls windows, we have the normal windows, and then their sizes, they also differ. So I'll be showing you different types of the windows we are having. But first of all, you need to go to your status bar under architecture. You click on the architecture. When you click on the architecture, please give me a second. Yeah, okay. So when you click when you click on architecture, you go to window, you click on window, and then I showed you how to go about it. Go to load family, you click on load family, and then you go to your library, that's your library. When you click on library, it open you to door, furniture, kitchen lighting, and then window here. So you double click on the window. We have our different types of window: the louvers, the casement windows, the sliding windows. We all have them here. So for instance, we want to use a casement window, so something like this. Now we have it. You can select it, click on OK. So when you click on OK, here are the basic setup we need to do. That's in terms of width and height. So it's telling us that we're having 1.2 width, and then all through. So then we have the 750, 950, 110. These are the different types we have. So let's click on OK first. I'll show you how to properly edit it. Now I want to show you how to go and bring it and then install it. But remember, we have the default window, which you just click on it. If you don't have any external file, so that's library, so you can be able to use that one. But for advanced and then good design looking windows and component, so you want to install it already, you go to, I made a video on it, so you have to go to, well, just a review. I have to go to REVIT City and then website, download all the necessary library you want, and then you make it as a folder. You come to the REVIT architecture, so you go into the same place, load, that we just find that place, and then go scroll down to library, and then you paste the folder there. So anytime you come to library, you'll find it there. So that's just it. So now select it. Now I want to place window here, for instance, and then I want to also place another window here, and then place another window here, and place another window here, for instance. So now let me modify, or click on escape on your keyboard. When you click on it, now come to edit here. You click on edit here. So here is the dimension of what the window. I'm having this rough window as 1.2 and the height is 1.3. So you can can be able to make it 1.2 by 1.2. I'm going to make it 1.2 by 1. That's the height, any height that you want to. But for the sake of this video, I want to be leaving it at 1.2 by 1.2. You click then on apply and then OK. So when you go to 3D now, you click on the 3D, you see your window here. See your window? That's our window. This is our window. So okay. So let me offset this so that we can be able to see what? To see our door. So remember how I showed you on how to edit and then edit your word using constraints. So you go to base constraints, you click on it, you go to what? Click on lintel and then accept it by 150. That's our beam, making it to be a beam. Click it like this. You can be able to see what? Our door, and then this is our window. So when you click back on our floor plan, so we have seen how we and then we have one toilet here. So with this toilet, I'll be able to go again and click on window, go back to load, and then choose the type of window we want to use for our toilet. You can still use that one in particular. Oh, see this one. Where is it? Particular. Okay, so you can be able to pick this one, click on open, it will load. So you come here and then you click on it. So you can go to your edit and then check what the dimension. The height is 1.2, which is too big for window. So for this one, can be able to make it to be 600, for instance, by 600 or 750. But let's use 600 and then click on apply and then click on OK. So when you go to your 3D now, you scroll down. That's the back. Yes. So now you are seeing your window, red window. So but now it's not at the right position. By default, it's not at the right position. So that's the next thing that we'll be talking about, positioning. So managing it proper. We have talked on position, we have talked on fixing it and then editing it, and the last one now is position. So this is not the right position. It's supposed to be at the lintel level from the top. So now you click on this particular video here and then you check on level here. So if you check on level here, so it's at floor level. So from floor level to your lintel level is what? The headroom is what? Is 2.1. So when you click on it now, it's at that position. So when you click on the other other windows, you can click one and then right click and select all instance visible or in the entire project. Then click on the entire project. So let's similar windows. Select it. Then you go back to level. You are keeping it what? At floor level, and then the offset, that's the headroom from floor, is what? Is 2.1. So you click on 2.1 and then you finish it. So precisely now, our windows, all of our windows, they are what? At what? At lintel level. So anywhere you see our window here is already at that position at the lintel level. So this is how to properly arrange or to fix your window. Now we have edited the window to the size we want it to be, and then we have positioned it well, and then we have make it the size we want. Basically, this is how to install, how to fix our window, set them up, edit, and then properly manage them in their right location. So thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. This is how you can be able to watch, you can be able to fix your window. Thank you very much. You can do well by subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below for more updates and more videos. Thank you. Till we meet next week. Goodbye. REVIT Boy Tech.